别，我先拍个手，然后我直接给你扔到桌上。
And we're back. Welcome to Snackologist. This is another new product that I'm gonna try today. Pink Pocky. So this is another Asianish, more becoming mainstream product. And this product is about, it's a fun snack. It's like little sticks. And I think this is made of product of Thailand. Oh, interesting. I didn't know Pocky was made from Thailand, actually. Let's see if it says where it's actually manufactured. Share happiness. Yeah. So I've been growly interested into pinky color stuff, especially in food, right? So because the pinky color is really fun. And it's hard to get, and sometimes it's very hard to stabilize. So pink doesn't always be pink. If you heat it up, it probably turns to some ugly color that you don't want. So as a snackologist, that's something I'm really interested in. Okay, I think it's made in Thailand, actually. So label-wise, not a lot of labels. Pretty clean. Some social media if you want to follow them. But no non-GMO, organic, all those shenanigans. But if you want to get in the mainstream hipster US market, you could probably do some of those labels. That might help you. Free advice, by the way, Pocky. So let's crack it open. Ooh. Okay, box. Let's see, let's get that out. I'm not a very good unwrapper person. Ooh, look at this pink. Here, let me get a better angle at this. Look at this. Ooh la 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 la. This is really pink. And of course pink, it's creamy strawberry. Nothing wrong with that. These individual sticks has a wheat stick and is covered by these creamy strawberry. Oops. It's clean. I'm not a food microbiologist. No food safety here. Sorry, guys. Unsurprisingly sweet. This is a lot of, I haven't had Pink Pocky for a while, so this type of sweetness is definitely something that I don't, I'm not used to or didn't expect. Great product though. This is one of these products that it has two components, right? So it got the covering from outside, the glaze, and the base. But this product actually can separate these two quite well. So a lot of products have a harmony, and that's some long-standing multi-component foods, right? For example, Oreo. The cookie and cream war goes on forever, but that product was great because you get the two distinct components, flavor-wise and texture-wise, and you also get the unique combination of them. You can taste them both, and they don't taste bad together. It tastes actually very good. That harmony is where those successful products are. So I think Pocky, especially the pink ones, are one of those. The aftertaste has a little bit of artificialness. I know that's a word that consumers use a lot. And that's just because a lot of these sweetness are not perfectly balanced. No one would actually say a piece of fruit tastes artificial because that is the natural flavor, and that's what many people are aiming to design their product for, is that naturalness. And that naturalness came really from a harmony system. And Pocky is almost perfect, a little bit lackey on the aftertaste wise, but let's check out what's in it. It's got, again, 30 grams per serving. This one actually contains 2.5 servings. 150 calories, with 18% saturated fat for your daily value. That translates to 3.5 grams of saturated fat. That's okay. Have some saturated fat. Won't be too much of a problem health-wise. And you're eating snacks, right? So ingredient-wise, I am really interested in what exactly made up this pinky color. So this is the pink from paint, from ink, right? This is the pink from beets, sugar beets, right? Those beets, you've seen those really bright color, and mix those with cream, you get this beautiful color. And this color, I'm not sure 100%, but it's probably not heated severely. So it's still got this pretty stable color here, but you can see it's not as bright as this. Of course, there's a glaze here for the ink, but that's what the difference is where you see food colorings, especially the more natural side of food coloring, doesn't get that bright. That's for a reason, because nature, Mother Nature, is not designed to have plants withstand high temperature and still maintain its color. So that's pretty much it. Caught my eye. There are some leavenings because this is, I'm assuming this stick is baked. It's kind of like a pretzel type of baking process. And that's pretty much it. Definitely has artificial flavors. I don't blame them. You can't make strawberry. You can't use strawberry to make pinky pokies. They're not poke, pocky. Sorry, keep messing up, but that's okay. So there you have it. This product right here, pretty good. You can get it probably from most of the grocery stores, corner stores. Look for them. They're pretty good. Good snacks for kids, also for adults. I'll probably finish all these soon. Follow my channel if you want to see more videos related to snacks and beverages, and leave a comment below or like this video, dislike if you want, and I'll see you next time.